Let's see if it squeaks today, you guys. Oh, you heard it. What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, you guys, and of course the beast is outside and may have to finish this video on another day because it is raining. Hopefully you guys can see, or has been raining, and it says it's going to rain the rest of the day. And with what I'm fixing, I'm going to have to be under the car outside, so you know that may have to be fixed another day. So you might see sunshine later on in this video. But we are fixing the active exhaust squeak on these cars, man, and it is something that's super aggravating. I'm OCD, and when I first heard it, I really thought my suspension went out, man. I kind of panicked and freaked out. I know how hard it is to actually get the suspension for this car, how long it takes, man, and I got so much going on with this car here shortly that I'll talk about at the end of the video. That I was like, man, I can't even have the dealership keep my car for any length of time with all the appointments and things that I have to be on time for. There's so many things that are about to happen that have to be done on time, or it'll ruin basically everything for the car, right? But outside of that, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, man, because it helps the channel grow, and we are gonna go crazy from here on out, man. Now, if you heard, all right, I got a lot of stuff going on for the beast, you guys. It is a lot of changes going on in a very short amount of time. Shout out to Atlantic Wraps, Bosworth Customs, which is my new shop, you guys. If you didn't know, I am now officially a Bosworth car, right? I am sponsored by the shop. Shout out to Todd, shout out to Chad. I'm gonna release all that info here later, let you guys see the shop on not the next video, but the video after I will drop that. But yeah, let's get into what we're gonna need, how to do it, because it's really not even that hard to fix it. But what I'll tell you is I did the cheaper fix for right now, and then I'm gonna go into the actual delete kit. I just don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. I like how the car sounds, how it's set up, and everything that Mass Acceleration has done. And I don't want to change the sound too much, just because I'm not a huge, oh, it's loud, right? Because loud doesn't mean fast. I learned that the hard way already, you guys. But let's get into the video. All right, you guys, we are here at Autozone about to pick up the lithium grease for the beast, man. Hopefully get it fixed before my MFER, or whatever you want to call it, for my active exhaust comes in, you guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or if I'm gonna actually go to Dodge and get a new active exhaust, because I like how it sounds now, but we're gonna kind of go from there, man. But we're gonna hop in AutoZone. All right, you guys, so we are perfect. This is exactly what you're looking for right here, you guys. I mean, it's $7. Wait, yeah, $7. I'm wondering if I should get what the Garage Driven on Instagram told me to do. Is this. I'm gonna get both. Because this is more of a spray. This is more, I've got to kind of rub it in a little bit. We're gonna test out both, actually. We're gonna kind of do a review, I guess. All right, you guys, I'm gonna try to let you guys hear the squeak. Not sure if you're gonna be able to. You're probably not gonna be able to hear it. But long story short, it's bothersome, man. I am OCD like crazy, which is why, again, you guys just saw I went into AutoZone and got some of the WD-40 lithium grease, and I got the Blast white lithium grease. Now, I watched two videos from Garage Driven and another guy, I'm sorry, I don't remember your name. One actually just sprayed it in there, the other one actually took it off. I'm gonna see which one works best, and that's the one I'm gonna put on video. But we're gonna try both, you guys. But again, AutoZone, I think I paid a total of $14. And again, I am waiting on my MFER. I don't even know how you pronounce it, right? The active exhaust delete. I'm not even sure I'm gonna stick with that. But we're gonna get to the house, we're gonna get this done. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and then show you the before and after. Because again, man, on my startup, and then when I'm running down the road, if I hit the gas and it opens, it just squeaks, and it is terrible. And if you know, or if you have this problem, you know how aggravating it is. So let's get this taken care of. All right, you guys, for this job, all you're gonna need is either the WD-40 version or the Blaster version, you guys. I went ahead and used the WD-40 version, you know, kind of a more popular, you know, angle. but I use these to kind of help hold on. And this is what I use to get the bolts off of my active exhaust. All right, you guys, so what you are gonna need is a ratchet, okay, and a 8mm, all right? And all you're gonna do is take out 1, 2, and 3, and then what you're gonna see is a spring, all right? What I'm gonna do, instead of taking it all the way off, I'm actually gonna spray into there and let it rest for a minute, because that is the spring that helps it go closed to open. And we're gonna go from there. And of course, my car is hot, as you can see. I was just in it, so I'm trying not to touch the exhaust. We're gonna spray some in there, you guys. All right, so I sprayed a little bit. Hopefully you can kind of see the area. All right, we're gonna see if that one side was it or if I need to do both. My door's open. Look at me, you guys, I'm terrible. I wonder if it's gonna know that I'm on a jack right now. All right, you guys, I went ahead and did the other side. And of course you can see my diff brake still holding on strong, especially on my differential, you guys. If you haven't watched this video, make sure you go check it out on my channel. Definitely the best insurance you can have. But let's see if this $7 fix that sound. No sound, you guys. No sound. All right, you guys, you can kind of see how it's done. It was really simple. Just kind of sprayed it in there and it ended up working. Now, a few days later, still no squeak, no anything like that, you guys, which I'm super excited about. I'm still waiting on my MFR kit to get here. Again, I don't know if I'm going to keep that on it or I'm just going to have Dodge actually replace it. But again, like I said, right now, I just don't have the time to either A, wait on it, leave the car there, all of that good stuff, right? Because I have so much going on with this car, it's not even funny. So long story short, you guys, again, Bosworth Customs is now my official sponsored shop, man. They're doing all of my work. They do amazing work. They do everything from exhaust work to wraps, to calipers, to rims, to literally anything that you can think of when it comes to customizing a car. They do, you guys. So definitely hit them up on Instagram. And of course, they'll have all their information, and I will drop their information in the subscription. That way you can see everything. But I can't wait for you guys to see the car, man. I got about 2 weeks I won't have the car, so I'll be dropping videos that are old, or at least old to you guys, or old to me, sorry, and then new to you guys. So you can kind of see a different kind of version of what actually goes on behind the scenes. But of course, man, I hope you enjoyed the video, man. It was pretty simple, nothing too crazy. But again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, man, and we are out.